We've touched on what a line break is very briefly in the past. If you take a quick look here between my first line in this paragraph and this line, in between here, this right here is my line break. You can't tell because a line break is invisible, but what we did is we split this. So we went from one line to two lines, just like that. Now to break a line using HTML, all we use is the BR tag. Because we don't add any content inside a line break, which would kind of defeat the purpose of having a line break, it does not need a closing tag. Let's take a look at how the BR tag actually works. The first half of our BR tag looks just like a regular tag, looks like any other tag. But the second half looks different. It's not just a typical closing tag, it has the slash in front of it. Now it's very similar to a closing tag where we have a slash in front of our element, but instead we use a shortcut and we just use slash close. Now when would you use a line break? Well, believe it or not, you'd use it often, very, very often. Sometimes your text doesn't fit right and you want to manually split the sentence. Sometimes you need to move an element down a line, or 10, or 20, or 2 lines. It doesn't really matter how many. And you can use BR as many times as you like. As an example, to create 5 new lines, just blank lines, we would type BR 5 times. It can go on 5 different lines. So it can look like this, etc., etc. Or it can be all in one line. And now you know how to split a line.